Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals keeps crashing and freezing. Let's begin. So once you open up Steam, you are going to go to the top left corner, then select the Steam icon. This is only if you have the game on your Steam account. So you go to the top left, select the Steam icon, and then you're going to look for something which is settings. After selecting settings, you're going to go to the left side here, then select downloads. Now you're going to scroll down a bit, then look for something which says clear download cache. Clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. Then you are going to select clear cache. Then what's going to happen afterwards, after you select confirm, is your app is going to close down and it's going to restart. Afterwards, you need to log in with your details again and then check if the game works afterwards. So you're going to select confirm and then wait for the app to restart and then log in with your details again. The second option would be to go to your settings in Windows. And you're going to go to Windows Update, and then you are going to check for updates. So if there's any available driver, such as your graphics card driver, then you are going to download it, then install it onto your system, and then see if the game works afterwards. Afterwards, you are going to run the run dialog, and then you are going to type in temp. So type in temp, and then you select OK. After selecting OK, you are going to highlight everything, or you can just go to the top here, then select all. Afterwards, you're going to right click and then you're going to select delete. This is going to delete all the temporary files which are currently running on your computer. Afterwards, you're going to restart your computer and then see if the game works. We're going to say that this is the Marvel Rivals game here. So you're going to right click and then you're going to go to the bottom, then select show more options. Then you go to properties, then go to compatibility. And you are going to select run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 or 7. But I would recommend Windows 7. And then you are going to select run this program as an administrator. Because there have been times where I've tried to play a few games and my games would not run. But then just simply doing this, even though it is quite trivial, can actually make the game work in certain instances. So you should try to give it a go and see if it actually works. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.